Cookie, baby, please stop and eat your breakfast. It's not good for running all the time. A cute 3 years old baby was running here and there cutely, and a middle aged woman was running behind him to feed him his breakfast. Good morning, Azuma. Azuma, good morning, Yungi. Come, let me serve you your breakfast. Yungi, Azuma, I have very important meeting. I will eat something at company. Don't worry. By the way, you are looking tired. What happened? Azuma, what else can be the reason other than your son? He is becoming very naughty day by day. Yungi, sorry Azuma, I will talk with him. He won't make you run. Cookie, come here fast. Cookie ran there and hugged him tightly. Yungi held his arm and made him stand in front of him. Yungi, Cookie, you know how much Azuma work? She cleaned this house, prepared food for us, wash our clothes, clean the dishes, buy groceries, take Cookie to park, play with Cookie. But she ever complains? Cookie shook his head vigorously. Yungi, then why is Cookie make her running behind him? Cookie should eat the breakfast quietly like a good boy. Only bad boys create troubles. Is Cookie bad boy? Cookie again shook his head vigorously. Yungi, then what should Cookie do now? Cookie quickly held his ears with his tiny baby hands and looked at me like he wants to say sorry. Azuma quickly hugged him. It's okay, baby. Harmony. Grandma isn't angry. Yungi, now be a good boy. Appa is going to office. Don't run, okay? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yungi patted his head and left for his work. Name Min Yungi, age 28 years old. Profession CEO at his own company. Name Min Jungkook, age 3 years old. Nickname Cookie. Author, I know, you must be thinking, why is Cookie silent? Cookie is a mute by birth. It's not like he has any disability. He is perfectly fit and fine. When he was in his Oma's womb, she met with an accident. Because of that, he became scared. His treatment is undergoing. Doctor said he can speak only by himself when he wants, by his heart. Yungi and Azuma tried a lot to make him speak, but nothing happened. Time skipped. At night, Yungi ran to Cookie's room. The scene he saw break his heart in million of pieces. He saw Cookie was crying hard and Azuma was trying hard to pacify him. But he was only crying and crying. He quickly ran there and took him from Azuma's hand. Cookie hugged him tightly. Yungi, while walking forth and back, it's okay, don't cry, baby. Appa is here, see? Appa will remove Cookie's pain soon. Appa is sorry, baby. Azuma, from how long he is crying? Azuma, since doctor gave him vaccination, he was looking for you. We were waiting for you, but doctor had to go on marriage ceremony, so we couldn't wait for you more. First, he was already very scared from injection. Then you were also not here. He got more scared. Yungi, I'm really sorry, Azuma. I forgot about his vaccination. When you called me, I immediately left for the house but got stuck in traffic. Azuma, it's okay, but don't forget again. Yungi, I won't. Time skipped at midnight. Yungi was laying on the bed and Cookie was sleeping peacefully on his chest. Azuma came there to call him for dinner. Azuma, Yungi, dinner is ready. Come have it before it gets cold. Yungi, I will eat after some time. Azuma, Cookie just slept. If I move a little bit, then he will awake. Azuma lovingly strokes his hairs. My baby. Today he cried a lot. He must be tired. Yungi, Azuma, Yoongi, can I say something? Yoongi, you don't need to ask my permission, Azuma. Azuma smiled. Yoongi, don't you think Cookie needs Oma? Yoongi, why does he need Oma? I am giving him both Oma and Appa's love. Azuma, indeed you are giving, but he is just a baby. He needs someone who stays with him all the time, who plays with him, who loves him. Yoongi, then you are here. You love him, play with him, stay with him all the time. Azuma, of course I am here, but he needs Oma, not harmony. You also need a life partner with whom you can share everything. Yoongi, I don't need any life partner. Me and Cookie are enough for each other. We don't need anyone. Azuma, Yoongi, life is too long. How will you spend it alone? It will gonna hard for you. Yoongi, it will be hard, not impossible, Azuma. I will manage everything. Azuma, as you wish, Yoongi, but think about it. I am going to my home. She kissed on Cookie's forehead and left from there. Yoongi lovingly strokes Cookie's hairs and picked a photo from the side stand's drawer and said, Yoongi, while holding a pic, if you aren't there, then no one else can come into my life. You are my first and last love. No one take your place in my life. Only you have the right to become my life partner. I can't even think anyone else. My love is loyal for you. So what? If you aren't with me, your memories are with me. I always had a dream of you, me and Cookie are living our life together like a happy family. No one can enter in this family except you. I love you, my life. Miss you so much, but destiny has some other plans for us. He put the pic again inside table's side drawer and started stroking his hairs. Time skipped at next day. It's a song recording studio. Music director was the singer was discussing about songs. Suddenly a cute boy ran there and hugged the singer tightly. It was none other than our Cookie, who was dressed up in oversized denim jeans and jacket along with denim bucket hat. He was hanging a bag too. He was looking so cute and adorable. Few security guards came there while chasing him. Music director, mad. What the hell is happening here? Who is he and how did he come here? Security guard, I don't know, sir. We are trying to stop him, but he ran very fast. Music director, okay, take him outside. We have to record very important song. Security guards were trying to take him outside, but he bit their hands and again hugged the singer tightly. Singer, sir, I guess he doesn't wanna go. Let him stay here, please. Music director, Jimin, he can't stay here in this presence. Can't record this song. Jimin, I know, sir, but he isn't ready to go outside. Let's do one thing. To security guards, go and find his parents. He must be come here with anyone. Till then, I will take care of him. Music director, super mad. Have you lost your mind? If you will take care of him, then who will record this song? Don't you know how much important song is it? Jimin, I know everything, sir. Please don't shout. He is just a baby. He can be scared. Don't worry, I will record this song. He won't disturb us. Just give me a minute. I will talk to him. Music director, as you wish, Jimin. Name Park Jimin, age 27 years old, profession singer. Jimin kneeled down in front of him. What's your name? Cookie opened his bag and took a small card and gave to Jimin. Jimin, read the card. Cookie, so your name is Cookie. Cookie nodded his head vigorously. Jimin, okay Cookie, see I have to record this song, so can you please sit here quietly? After the recording we can play, okay? Cookie nodded his head vigorously and showed his right thumbs up. Jimin happily, thank you so much. I will be back soon. You can see me by this glass wall. Don't be scared. Patted his head and left. Jimin went behind the wall and music director made Cookie sit next to him on the chair, but he climbed up and sat on the table while looking at Jimin. Jimin smiled to see him. As soon as Jimin started singing, Cookie started clapping loudly. Because of that, they had to stop recording, which made music director more frustrated. Jimin, sorry sir, to Cookie. Cookie, baby, don't clap in between. If you clap, then how can I record this song? Cookie nodded his head vigorously and showed his right thumbs up. Sir, we again start. He won't disturb now. Jimin again started singing. Cookie wanted to clap loudly, but he saw music director's angry expression and hid his hands behind his back. Soon Jimin finished the song in one take. Music director started clapping. It was fantastic, Jimin. Your voice is superb. By seeing him clapping, Cookie also started clapping loudly with big bunny smile, which melted Jimin's heart. Jimin went to him. Oh, Cookie likes this song this much? Cookie nodded his head vigorously. Thank you so much. Cookie hugged him tightly. Oh, ma! Passed out. Jimin quickly held him. Cookie, what happened to you? Patted his cheeks. Oh no. Music director, what happened? Jimin, he has high fever. Music director, take him to the hospital. I will try to find his parents and inform them. You go quickly. Jimin, thank you so much, sir. To Cookie. Cookie, nothing will happen to you. I will save you. Ran to his car. Time skipped at the hospital. Jimin quickly took Cookie to the hospital. Doctor examined him and went to Jimin, who was nervous as hell. Jimin, doctor, how's Cookie? Will he be fine now? Is there any problem? Why aren't you saying anything? He is fine, right? Doctor smiled. Calm down, he is perfectly fit and fine. There is nothing to worry. Jimin, then why did he pass out? He still didn't regain his consciousness. Are you hiding anything? If yes, then please don't hide anything. Tell me the truth. Doctor smiled. I'm not hiding anything. He's perfectly fit and fine. He passed out because of shock. Jimin, shock? Which type of shock? He was with me and clapping. Doctor, sometimes we get shock from happiness too. He got happy shock. He got the happiness which he craved from so many times. He couldn't hold the excitement and passed out. Jimin sighed in relief. Oh, doctor, by the way, who are you to patient? You are worried for him like his mom. Jimin, because I'm his Oma. Doctor didn't surprise at the word Oma because usually gay couples child call them Oma too. It's normal. Doctor, oh, don't worry. He will regain his consciousness till tonight. Jimin, he has the high fever too. Did he get that from shock too? Doctor, you are saying you are his Oma and don't know about he got fever because of vaccination. Jimin, vaccination? Doctor, yeah, vaccination. Yesterday he got vaccinated. He didn't know because he isn't his Oma. Jimin, of course I'm his Oma. I didn't know about this because I was out of town for some days. Turned to him and got shocked. Yoongi! Doctor, now who are you, mister? Yoongi sat beside Jimin. I'm Min Yoongi, Cookie's Appa. Jimin, broken heart. Appa? Yoongi, yes, Appa. Finally looked at him and got shocked. Jimin tried to grab his hand, but he yanked. Doctor, nice to meet you, Mr. Min. There is nothing to worry. I already told everything to your husband. You can ask to him. Yoongi, thank you so much, doctor. Doctor, you can take him at home. Now excuse me. Left. Yoongi looked at him. Jimin looked at him with teary eyes. Appa, Yoongi, you got married and have a baby too? Aren't you committed with me? Aren't we love each other and ready to do marriage? Oh, So that's why you left me alone there. I was waiting for you whole day in heavy rain. By this thought, my Yungi will definitely come. He can't cheat me. How stupid am I? I was thinking for you and you were busy sleeping with another woman. If you had any other woman then your life, then you should have told me. I myself left from your life. Then you can do whatever you want. Why did you break my heart? Why did you cheat me? I love you wholeheartedly and you gave me heartbreak. Why, Yungi? Why? What was missing in my love so that you have to go to another woman? Yungi, no, Jimin, you are mistaken me. I never cheat you. I also love you. Please try to understand me. Jimin, understand you? Cookie is the sign of your and that woman's love, and you are saying, try to understand you. I hate you, Yungi. I hate you so much. Left from there while crying hard. Time skipped at home. Cookie regained his consciousness and started panicking to not found Jimin. Beside him, he was crying loudly and throwing all the things on the floor. He warns his Oma. Azuma and Yungi were trying hard to handle him, but he was very angry. He was only throwing the things. He was calling Oma, Oma. It was his first words, first time he said anything. Poor Yungi and Azuma couldn't celebrate his first word. Cookie's situation getting worse every passing second. His painful crying and screaming break Yungi's heart. Cookie, while crying hard, oh ma! Yungi, Cookie, baby, don't cry. You want Oma, right? Then Appa will bring back your Oma here. Just give Appa some minutes. About to go. Azuma, Yungi, where are you going? Yungi, to bring Jimin. Azuma, will he be ready to come here with you? Yungi, he doesn't has any choice. He has to come here. Cookie needs him, and for Cookie, I can go to any level. I will do everything to bring him here. I can't lose my Cookie. He is my life. Immediately ran outside. Yungi immediately came to Jimin's house. He buzzed inside his room. He heard shower sound. He understood Jimin was taking shower. He quickly went to his wardrobe and started packing his bag. Jimin came outside of the washroom and saw Yungi was packing his bag. He became furious to see him and said, Jimin, hey you, how dare you to come here? What are you doing with my clothes? Yungi looked at him and zipped the bag. I am picking your clothes. You are coming with me. Jimin, what the hell? I'm not going anywhere with a man who slept with another woman. Yungi, think whatever you wanna think. I don't have any time to clear your misunderstanding. Don't have time. Let's go. Jimin, I'm not going anywhere. Who are you to decide where should I go or not? Yungi, Cookie's Appa threw Jimin on his shoulder and started walking outside. Jimin screamed, are you mad? Put me down. I didn't wear anything inside the bathrobe. At least let me wear my clothes. Yungi, there is nothing to hide. I already saw everything many times. Jimin was hitting him by his baby hands, but Yungi didn't affect it. He took him at his home. Yungi dropped him at the entrance of his room. He saw Cookie's miserable condition. Jimin couldn't hold himself and ran inside the room and hugged Cookie tightly. Cookie hugged him tightly. Oh, Oma! Jimin picked him in his arms and kissed all over his face. Oma is here, baby. Don't cry. Oma, don't go anywhere now. Azuma and Yungi wiped their tears to see the scene. Finally, Cookie calmed down. Jimin made him relaxed. He was tightly hugging him like if he loses the hold, then Jimin will disappear. Time skipped after some time. Yungi was standing at the balcony and looking outside through the window. Azuma was cleaning the room. Jimin was walking back and forth with Cookie in his arms. He was still in his bathrobe. Cookie was in half sleep. Jimin went to Yoongi and said, Jimin, Yoongi, still looking outside. Jimin, I never cheat you. I only love you. I never think to sleep with anyone except you. I'm still yours. I was coming to you at that day, but suddenly I got the call from Azuma. She informed me that my Hyang's car met with an accident when he was going to the hospital for his wife's delivery. Local people helped them and took them to the hospital. Hyang and his wife lost their life, but luckily doctors were succeed to save Cookie. This incident put huge impact on unborn child. As result, Cookie born mute. We took him to the best doctor of the world, but nothing happened. Doctor said he can speak by his will. I don't know how he met you. He called you Oma. That was his first word. Because of this shock, he passed out. I tried to find you but couldn't. I lost all the contacts to you. I tried to contact from your landlord, but he said you left the house. Cookie became my responsibility. He is the sign of my young and sister-in-laws. I couldn't save my young, but I promised to my sister-in-law that I will raise him just like my child. I will never let him feel the emptiness. I will give him all the happiness because he deserves the world. I did so wrong with you. I should have informed you at that day, but I wasn't in my right sense. I just want to reach to my young. I'm sorry. That's all I can say to you. I have to choose Cookie over you. You are my first and last love. I can't live without you, but I can't leave Cookie. Cookie is my son. I can leave the world for him. Jimin, no, you are wrong. Cookie isn't only your son, he is our son. Don't forget, I am his Oma. I will give him Oma's love. I'm sorry, Yoongi. I didn't listen to you. I misunderstood you. I didn't give you the chance to explain yourself. I'm sorry. But still, it's no late. We can start our life now. Yoongi, we will get married tomorrow. Now, can't wait to live together. Jimin, okay, I'm ready. Yoongi, by the way, you are still looking hot in this bathrobe just like 3 years ago. Jimin quickly covered Yoongi's ears by his hand. Shut up, Yoongi, what are you saying? Cookie is here. Cookie, oh ma! Yoongi quickly hugged him tightly. Yoongi, Appa loves Cookie and Oma so much. Jimin, Oma also loves Cookie and Appa. Cookie, Oma, Appa, Cookie. Sometimes relation chooses the relation which made by heart much more pure and stronger than the real one. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. I decided to make this one shot in January. For that I made the thumbnail too, but as usual couldn't get time to make it because of my busy schedule. Sometimes we have to sacrifice our love because of responsibility, but it doesn't mean our love isn't pure or true. It means destiny has some other plans for us. Finally, Cookie gets back his Oma and Appa. I hope you all enjoyed this story. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.